Hello guys and welcome back to another video of Twin Magic. In this video we're going to show you a simple card magic trick, but of course an amazing card magic trick that you can shock anyone and you don't need any setup for this trick. So as always we will show you the performance and then the tutorial. And for this trick we need a normal deck of cards. You can give the cards to the spectator to shuffle it, it's not important. So yeah, once they was happy they will stop shuffling the cards and they give the cards back to the magician. So right now we told him that we will make a prediction and you should not see our prediction till the end. And right now we will bring the deck of our this deck to the back of the camera so we can make the prediction. But be sure that we won't change anything. Okay, we won't change anything, so don't worry. So we are passing through the cards to find our prediction. Well, okay. We are searching for that card that we want. So, okay. Now we made our prediction. So right now, what we do is we will tell the spectator, do you want us to shuffle the cards after the prediction? If they said yes, we can shuffle it. Like they will, yeah, we will shuffle it right now. It's not important. Okay. So yeah, right now, we will tell them to say stop anywhere that they like. Maybe they will say stop right here. Tell them what is the card. It's ace of clubs. Okay, we put the ace of clubs right here. So yeah, and right now again we do this again. We tell the spectator right now again, we will tell them to say stop. Maybe they will say stop right here. We tell them what is the card. It's five of spades. Again we put the five of spades here. Right now we tell them that again, if you want to be sure, this was the ace of clubs and this was the five of spades. We tell them that what is the number of these, or what is the word of these of this card. They will say it's ace. We tell them that we don't need the suit for the first card. Okay, we don't need the suit, we just need the number or the word. But for this one we need the suit, not the number or the word. It's spades right now. We tell them, so if we mix them and we put them together, it's what? It's ace of spades. And now we tell them that we made a prediction from the first of the video and we predict ace of spades. So yeah, this was a magic trick. We hope that you like and you enjoy it. Let's see the tutorial of it. So let's see the tutorial of this trick. So we will put this card in the middle of the deck like this and reshuffle it. So this trick we don't need any setup, so we can just shuffle it and it's not important. Right now we tell the spectator we want to do a prediction. So what we do for the prediction, when we should turn the cards, like it should be likely. So if the spectator is in front of us, say don't, so they can see the cards. They should not see the card. That's important. So right now we will pass through the this card and this card. First two cards. So we will look at these two cards. We will say what is this number of this, but of the bottom card. They will say 4. And what is the suit of this card? We will say it's diamond. So yeah, the first card should be the number and the second one should be the suit. So right now it's 4 of diamonds. So we pass through the cards and we find the 4 of diamonds. Like this. That was 4 of hearts, 4 of clubs, and oh yeah, it's here. So again, we tell them that we should not see they should not see the prediction till the end. So this is our prediction. We made a prediction from the bottom card and the first and the second cards from bottom. So we will combine the number and the suit of them. So we will have the 4 of diamonds. This is our prediction. So right now we will tell the spectator if you want to shuffle them, they will say yes. So we do a four shuffle. You have to be. This is the advertising cards. It's not important. When we are shuffling the card, we should be careful to not shuffle the bottom card and the the second card from the bottom. So like this. So write this like this. So yeah, nothing changed. And now it's so easy that this part, yeah, it's just kind of self-working. You grab the half of the deck like this. It's you can pick more than half of. It's not important, and you just tell us like to say stop. Like they say stop. You show them the bottom card. They will say it is four. You will put the four right here, and we can turn it to. It's not important. So again, we should the four and the three always should be at the bottom of the deck. Right now, again, we do this shuffle. They will say stop right here. What is that? This card is three of diamonds. This is all like we know what are they gonna choose. So it's not important. But they don't know. Oh, like they think it is random, but they are not random. So right now we will tell the spectator. We will mix. What is the number of this card? They will say four. And what is the suit of this card? They will say it's diamonds. So we combine them and it's four of diamonds. And yeah, they will. This trick will shock them because they think everything was random, but it was not. And if you like, you can do more fake shuffles to make it more random to improve it. It's not important. So yeah, we performed this trick and it was very great. We shocked them and yeah, we hope that you like it and you enjoy it. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in our next video. Have a nice day and goodbye.